Hey guys, it's Anna, and it's
Bye.
so so it's Anna and Blake here, and right now we're outside. We are at a family reunion right now, outside being naturey with nature, and we have some trees and some clouds in the sky. It looks really good today, and the lake back there looks pretty great. We might do some photos.
This baby turtle slow there. Literally the wind.
Baby turtles are my favorite animals, so now we're gonna go see them. Guys, we don't really know the purpose of this vlog yet. Like, we're bored and wanted to do stuff.
So we found this bridge over there.
Oh yeah, there's a bridge.
Oh my. This is just, I don't like this.
So they went away. Potty mouth.
Grace. Hi.
Where is it? Where's the frog? There.
Damn. Be musky. Dead. Sorry, dude. Right now we're chilling we're having a family reunion at this park. So I think I'm just gonna end it here. So thank you for watching. Like the video if you did.